In these sections, we'll work on word problems involving linear equations. I will be doing the odd problems in these videos, and I would like it for if you, after working through the odd problems, you take a look at the even problems and attempt those on your own. So, first problem, if Alice travels 4 times as fast as Gloria, and they're traveling in opposite directions, they're 280 miles apart after 8 hours. Find their rate of travel. So for these types of problems, we need to notice that their rates and their distance, like this is distance, and the amount of time that they spend traveling, those quantities are related by rate times time equals distance. So that's how those quantities are related. And I should use units to represent the rate and the time and the distance. Okay, so first in this problem, since we're talking about miles for distance, I'll write miles here, and hours for time, the rate should be related to these two units. So that's probably miles per hour, which you can write mph or miles per hour, however one you like. All right, and then charts I find help me to organize my thinking. So I'm going to make a chart to organize all of my quantities. Okay, we've got Alice, which I'll write for A for Alice, and Gloria. I'll make that a G. Okay, so if Alice travels 4 times as fast as Gloria, this is talking about their rate. Let me just come back to that. They're traveling in opposite directions. They're 280 miles apart after 8 hours. So they're both traveling for 8 hours, right? Time is in hours. And their rate, Alice is 4 times as fast as Gloria. So let me introduce a variable. Let me say let x equal Gloria's, I should make that capital, Gloria's rate in miles per hour, right? So if I let x be Gloria's rate, and then Alice goes 4 times as fast, so 4 times x. Okay, so always with these types of problems, what you want to do is use this formula to fill out, to complete the chart. So 4x times 8, multiply the rate times the time, you get 32x miles, and x times 8 is 8x miles. Okay, I'm also going to draw a picture here to help me write an equation that relates these quantities. Here's their starting position. They travel in opposite directions, right? So let's say that this is Alice and this is Gloria. Okay, after a certain amount of time, you know, Gloria travels a distance. Alice is obviously going twice as fast. And whatever these distances are here, here's the distance that Gloria travels, here's the distance that Alice travels. The total distance is 280 miles. And I also know that Alice's distance can be represented by 32x, and Gloria's distance can be represented by 8x. And now here's a picture that tells me that their two distances, 8x and 32x, they should total to 280 miles or add up to 280 miles. So I'm going to write this equation. Gloria's distance plus Alice's distance should equal 280 miles. Okay. All right, now let me solve this. Adding these two together, you get 40x equals 280. Divide both sides by 40. X is 7. And 7, what? X was Gloria's rate in miles per hour, so that's 7 miles per hour. So Gloria was traveling, that was here, right? Gloria's rate was 7. So Gloria traveled 7 miles per hour. And then Alice traveled 4 times that, 28 miles per hour.